and Craft.
Hey guys, welcome back to H&N Crafts, and in today's video, as you all are having problem as it's lockdown in this pandemic, you are not getting stuff to do crafts. So in today's video, I'm really going to make a cool thing with only newspaper, which is available at every house. So guys, if you even don't have this newspaper, you can take any notebook. So now I'm going to reveal to you all that what we're going to make in today's video. Oh my god! I know this will be your reaction because you won't believe me that this is only made by newspaper. Yes guys, that's true. This beautiful flower vase is just made by newspaper. This is a good showpiece guys, and I still know that you will be shocked because this shows that it really isn't made of newspaper, but it really is if you want to know that. So let's move on to how to make it.
me when will I is falling apart. Love is a shell, my darling. It's getting hard with no love around.
Guys, so our newspaper was is ready and it looks so cool, guys. It looks like I have not made it by newspaper. It looks like I have bought it, but it is really made by newspaper. I hope you like this video, guys, and please comment down below that should I keep making these recycling videos or not. So now I'm going to tell you some tips which are very important, and these tips will really help you. So the number one tip is that please make these rings of the same size. Don't make one small, one huge. That will make it really look bad. So you'll have to make these rings of same size. And the number two tip is that please make these sticks thin. Okay, don't make thick sticks, they will not make it stand properly. So you'll have to make these sticks thin, and you can color it the way you want. You can make it silver, you can make it golden. I thought golden would be better. You can see it looks really good. You can keep flowers on it, or you can even leave it as it is. So guys, if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.